Poor posture can be a result of tight chest musculature resulting in rounded shoulders. As a result, the postural support muscles become weakened. Therefore, it is necessary to stretch the chest muscles and strengthen the postural muscles. To begin, find a door frame. Place your hands at about waist level on the door frame and step through maintaining upright posture as shown. Hold this for 30 seconds and perform 4 repetitions. To increase the intensity of the stretch, raise the arms up and repeat the prior steps. To advance further, raise the arms higher and then step through as before. Hold for 30 seconds and perform 4 repetitions maintaining upright posture. If a door frame is unavailable, the same stretch can be performed in a corner of a room. For postural strengthening, tie a knot in a resistance band and close it in a door. Perform rows by pulling the ends of the band towards you and pinching your shoulder blades together. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Next, maintain your arms as straight as possible and pull straight down. Remember to pinch your shoulder blades with each repetition. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Horizontal band pull-aparts are next. Grab the band with an overhand grip and pull the band apart towards your chest. Be sure to squeeze your shoulder blades together with every repetition. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Now grip the band with an underhand grip. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions like before, squeezing the shoulder blades with each repetition. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.